Kirano to gotigara boy gasa mangana lengete na siasa masarata boy county ya Bungoma Moses Maska Wetangula oyibo igobono orumra iweke magia for the Kenya ni gochinga kechanya rega koboria omubwazimio wotasoyo bwoba asobo cholyo bonene bole bosio obo gochigokoleka no mutinyo gatano na gatatoro bochi rwa senjera yobo ikirano ekero siasa gendrete kobwatanse bosobo cholyo bonene omurebe kya magia for the Kenya Moses Maska Wetangula inse yo mubwa Kenya kwanza ni gobori because
we can see that Azimio is now in a state of fright, in a state of panic, in a state of disorder, and are suffering terrible internal turmoil and hemorrhage. They are now crying foul against anybody.
Wetangula ni gochinga kecha mentribuna umurebe kama kya ODM rera morodinga nigo aschintunde chionse aberga kwe murunganiriye kyombe kyobo choline chimbebe kirenga kikorwa achagete kulgyoborai.
We want to tell the candidate of Azimio that you have a bad habit of complaining against the referee in every game. When you stood in 97, you alleged then the Electoral Commission was against you. You stood in 2007, you alleged Iebc was against you. In 2013, you stood, you alleged the same unsubstantiated claims against the referee, Iebc. In 2017, and the court reversed the election of President Uhuru and gave you a second chance. When you are given a second chance, you chickened out and fled the scene and left Uhuru to go virtually unopposed.
Wetangula boy goni gatebruna Raila tabwene tikoso yo bwoba ase kolendamenta buna ase bono maiga yoko bwatana na Uhuru Kenyatta tabwene retina ende koboa.
Now you are running the 5th time. Now that you are the co-president of Kenya. Now that you have the system with you. Now that you have the deep state with you, why are you panicking? Why are you crying foul even before the game starts?
Chinga kicho munyakiro bobwe kyombe kyobo chorine chimbibe Iebc wafala chebukati nigaboli yabana siasa gote bwaterane ne kyombe kya siasa chiabo nakoganisco kya se kyombe kena batebuna ni ogetenrete na ndenke bwati bwa matebonde bwansi ne ansemo ya siasa.
An attempt by some newspapers to profile me to Moses Wetangula. Now, that is very, very unfortunate, and also those who are making those remarks. He is a Bukusu like me. We were born in Bungoma, and I think that is perhaps the reason for profiling. But as a commission, as the chair of the commission, I've never sat with an individual to discuss procurement, and I think it's very unfortunate that some leaders can stoop so low to try at this point in time to try and malign the character of the chair. I want to urge politicians, as you do your campaigns, please focus on talking to the electorate about issues and not attacking the commission, profiling commissioners and profiling the staff.
Reporter ya Ndizi TV, Ritirane Nkurokwa, Vincent Onyancha.